Welcome back to the WealthWise Academy podcast, where we turn financial concepts into clear, exciting conversations. I'm your host, James Carter, and today we're diving into the world of zero-based budgeting. Joining us is financial educator and budgeting expert, Elsa Kent. Welcome, Elsa.
Thanks, James. I'm thrilled to be here and ready to unravel the magic of zero-based budgeting with you.
Awesome. So, Elsa, zero-based budgeting sounds a bit intimidating. Can you break it down for our listeners?
Absolutely. Zero-based budgeting, or ZBB, is all about starting from scratch every month. Instead of relying on last month's budget, you start at zero and justify every expense, ensuring your money is aligned with your current priorities.
That sounds intense.
It might seem that way, but the beauty of ZBB is its ability to give you total control over your finances. It forces you to reevaluate spending habits, eliminate waste, and focus your resources on what truly matters to you. Plus, it can be surprisingly empowering to see exactly where every pound goes.
Fascinating, but isn't it a bit time-consuming to start from zero each month?
It can be, initially, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. The key is to make it a habit. Once you do, you'll find that it actually saves time, because you're not worrying about overspending or adjusting a budget that isn't working.
Let's talk practicality. How does someone begin with zero-based budgeting?
Start by listing all your income sources. Then, write down every expense you anticipate for the month. Assign every pound a job until your income minus expenses equals zero. It's crucial to include categories like savings and debt repayment.
And what about surprises?
Great question. Building an emergency fund within your budget is key. Allocate a portion of your income to a buffer fund. This prepares you for unexpected costs without derailing your entire budget.
I bet our listeners are wondering, does zero-based budgeting work for everyone?
It's not one size fits all, but it's incredibly adaptable. Whether you're single, a family, or even a business, ZBB can be tailored to fit your specific needs. The discipline it instills is universally beneficial.
And how do you keep motivated throughout the process?
Set clear financial goals and revisit them regularly. Celebrate small victories to keep the momentum going. It's amazing how empowering financial clarity can be.
Before we wrap up, any final tips for our listeners considering this budgeting method?
Don't be afraid to adjust as you go. Your priorities will change, and that's okay. Flexibility is key. And remember, budgeting is about progress, not perfection.
Elsa, thank you so much for sharing your insights on zero-based budgeting. I've learned a lot, and I'm sure our listeners have, too.
It was my pleasure, James. I hope everyone gives ZBB a try and experiences the financial freedom it can bring.
And there you have it, folks. Dive into zero-based budgeting and take control of your financial journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this episode with friends who might need a budgeting breakthrough. Until next time, this is the WealthWise Academy podcast. Stay wise, stay wealthy.